Hey there, this is a multi-form cleaner spray from AfterRide. This isn't just for cars. This works well on helmets, bikes, sofas and even shoes. First we will try it on the car's dashboard. The cleaning power of this foam is very strong. You just need to spray an even layer. Just shake the can well like this. Now spray it on the dashboard. Then give it a moment, then wipe it off with a clean cloth. Now let's try this on this old dirty helmet. Let's see how clean this can get by using our AfterRide's multi-foam cleaner spray. See how much dirt it cleaned off? Sorry. This AfterRide spray cleaner is quite good and effective. This is a value for money product. I bought this from Amazon. You should definitely give it a try. So that's it guys. Catch me in the next video. Follow me. Bye.